Hey everybody. Quick update on the Ram 50. I figured you all would want to know. There's been some cool progress since the last time you saw it. Let's start front to back here. I'm going to show you a couple of points where we've wired in some things. So this is a nice hot wire for some new switches you're going to see in a moment. These are voltage wires that we've added in to measure the 144 volt status. And then hiding underneath here, you'll see a couple of new wires as well. The yellow ends, the black heat shrink around them. Those are going into a new multimeter as well, along with the voltage wires. All right, so Chase, what is all this powering? Well, I'm glad you didn't ask. Let's get to that. So first, I'm going to go ahead and put some 12 volt power on here. Woohoo! A couple of sparks. All right, we're live. Oh, I forgot. I need to show you. We need to hook up the Anderson connector back here. Oh yeah. How does that work? We take this guy off. And then we drop him down, hook him up right in here. It's kind of hard to see, but there you go. Rock and roll. Okay, now back to the important stuff. Cool. Ignore the mess. This is the mad scientist's layer here. All right, so we're live. All that's good. All right, let's hop in. Show you the new stuff. Oh, okay. The door closed. Yeah. You can already see some of it. Doc, thank you for the key. What do we got going on here? Yes. So that first red wire I showed you is powering this guy. And that's giving us a readout on our 12 volt system. It also ties into these really fun switches here that we're going to use for different accessories that we might need, whether the key is on or off. Still working on exactly what that's going to be. What's this guy though? Why is he not turned on? This guy right here? Check this out. One quick annoying noise. Not so quick. Oh, there it goes. Okay. I should really just disconnect that thing. So we are now seeing a full readout of the 144 volt system as well, which we did not have before. So we're looking at currently, it's like saying voltagely. We're seeing a nominal voltage here. Looks like everything's good. It's still catching up on how many amp hours it's got for capacity, but we can see it all. And then when we don't want to see it, we just turn it off. And that's that. You can also see now with the key on, the DC to DC converter is working like it should. It's taking that big power pack of 144 volts and converting it to 12, or in this case, 13.7, to keep that 12 volt system just topped off and looking good. All right, I'm going to cut power here. Take the key out so we don't get another annoying buzz. And then kill power. And then I got one more thing to show you. Bye, Doc. That we are working on. Let's got 12 volt power here. Goodbye, 12 volt power. There we go. We'll cut 144 volt power after the video is done here. Let's just jump on ahead. Batteries need to be in a safe place. Need to have some kind of enclosure. So got a rubber mat that's going to be going right up underneath the cab, right where the batteries are now. But we're going to turn the line of batteries sideways and put them in the sky. This was a Facebook Marketplace find. It had a lot of foam and other stuff in it, so I'm working to strip it out and get all the glue and stuff out of it. It's a little bit of a slow process, but we'll have a nice secure aluminum box to keep everything in. We're going to vent it. We're going to make sure there's nice weather-tight ports for the cables to go through. And then we're going to put the batteries in. So I wanted to show you all the new switches and stuff before I had to take the battery pack apart to move it all into the case. So there you go. The 84 Dodge Ram 50 is still in progress. Just, it drives, it feels good, Now we're just adding those nice features that really give you a good measurement of where you're at, how far you can go, and maybe how much power you've got left when you're trying to get home. All that good stuff. So more to follow. See you on the next one. Thank you so much.